بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون. Follow those who do not ask you any payment and they are rightly guided. وما لي لا أعبد الذي فطرني وإليه ترجعون. And why should I not worship He who created me and to whom you will be returned? أتخذ من دونه آلهة إن يردني الرحمن بضر لا تغني عني شفاعتهم شيئا ولا ينقذون. Should I take other than him false deities while if the most merciful intends for me some adversity, their intercession will not avail me at all, nor can they save me. إني إذا لفي ضلال مبين. Indeed, I would then be in manifest error. إني آمنت بربكم فاسمعون. Indeed, I have believed in your Lord, so listen to me. قيل ادخل الجنة قال يا ليت قومي يعلمون. It was said, enter paradise. He said, I wish my people could know. وما غفر لي ربي وجعلني من المكرمين. Of how my Lord has forgiven me and placed me among the honored. وما أنزلنا على قومه من بعده من جند من السماء وما كنا منزلين. And we did not send down upon his people after him any soldiers from the heaven, nor would we have done so. إن كانت إلا صيحة واحدة فإذا هم خامدون. It was not but one shout, and immediately they were extinguished. يا حسرة على العباد ما يأتيهم من رسول إلا كانوا به يستهزئون. How regretful for the servants, there did not come to them any messenger except that they used to ridicule him. صدق الله العظيم.